Well, here's day 42. I had to take a few days off after that roof. Needed a break after that. The other guys still haven't started their roof. The guys over there are just starting theirs now. But all I have left in here is to pretty much just clean up this floor, get all the snow out, and then finish the rest of the stuff in the roof. Like the rest of the drywall backing, I pretty much got it all back here, but over here, got a little bit more. I'll finish the 1x4 strapping and build an attic access box for up here. That should be pretty much it up here, and then I'll work my way downstairs to the basement. I could go outside and finish the rest of those front roofs. I got a little left to finish on here, and then I can put that side gable up there and do that, but I'm gonna finish the inside of the house first. Start upstairs, and then down here I only have the drop ceilings to do up here. I think that's about it. Maybe finish the blocking in that tall wall across there. So for my attic access box, I have two pieces of OSB cut. They're cut 33 by 14.5. And then my 2x8s are cut 21.5. And that's gonna leave it a little bit short to fit in between the trusses. They want this attic access up in here in this little hallway. Usually they put it in the master bedroom closet or something, or in one of the bedrooms, but I guess they want it right here. So I'm just gonna nail a block across there just to hold it until I can nail it into the trusses. And that goes in there like that. That's just kind of when they blow the insulation into the attic that it won't spill over. So that's why it needs to be at least 14 inches tall, because I think they're gonna blow 14 inches of insulation in there. Now that I have this tub in here, I can put the rest of these studs in. Just these two here for this wall. And this here, it might look like the backing missed there, but once this tub gets put in plumb, it'll be good. See, it's good on the top, so once it's just sitting at an angle right now. Once it gets pulled in, it'll be good. But I'll put these two studs in, and then I'll put that towel bar backing in here. Now I have these studs in, so I'll put the towel bar backing in. So here's this bathroom all finished. Towel bar, the tub's in, the studs are in, all the drywall backing's done up top. Another thing I have to do on this tall wall, I gotta put these clips in here. Just these truss clips. I only need them on the tall wall. The engineer only called for them on these tall wall trusses. So every one of those trusses needs one of these clips. Just sits on top of the wall, gets nailed to the wall, and then nailed into the truss. So now I'm pretty much all done up here. I'll just get this all cleaned up here, get all the snow out, and then I'll start spreading the windows out. I'll bring the windows that need to go up here. Now I'm gonna do the drop ceilings in these rooms. This bathroom needs to be dropped to 8 feet. Should be to the bottom of that drywall. And then that closet needs to be dropped to 8 feet. And then underneath this stairs also needs to be dropped. Except on this part, I can keep it flush over there with this wall across until it hits here. So this actually had to be dropped to 9 feet. So I got my mark there. I just measured down from the top, checked what it is, and I marked it on all 4 corners. And I'll just need to put a 2x4 around the outside, and then every 2 feet another ceiling joist. There's that ceiling dropped. I'll do the same in the closet, and then I can do the same under here. So for this part, I'm just going to build a 2x4 wall that's going to sit in here, go across there, and then I just need to frame the bottom of the wall straight across to that wall. Well, the gun's freezing up again, but I got that 2x4 on there, and then I got this wall built over here. So I'll take that wall, I'll put it up flush with this wall across there, and then I'll just frame the bottom across to that 2x4. There's all the drop ceilings done. That's pretty much the last thing to do in the house. Everything's done in here. Now I just got to go finish the lower roofs on the outside. But I'll do that tomorrow. I'll get these windows spread out, and then it's time for a beer.